All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about a new version that is off-road focused from Honda. Let's talk about that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric. We're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, guys, so Honda is getting serious about off-roading, and they're coming out with the Trailsport and the Honda Passport. It's the first edition of what's going to be, I guess, in all future SUVs and trucks. Honda's finally noticed people like to go off-roading, so they gave it box suspension and like 12 inches of travel. And I'm being sarcastic because it's really just an appearance package. Let's get to it. It comes with a unique grille because we all know unique grills make you off-road better. Some chunky front and rear bumpers. It has orange Trailsport badges. Ooh, yeah. The track has been widened by 0.4 inches for better stability front and rear. The tires, they are big 35-inch, they're 245 60R 18s. The interior, though, this is where off-roading matters. Comes with orange contrast stitching, some Trailsport logos, and big-time amber lighting. Yeah, but to this model only, it gets 8.1 inches of ground clearance, which is the same as all other Passports for 2022. So, yeah, this is off-roading Honda's best. But they did say future models might come with beefier tires and an adjusted, revised suspension. So what do you guys think? Is this the off-roading thing we've been waiting for Honda? Or is this an appearance package? You decide. Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.